Welcome to Learning Through Examples. Examples help to understand better. In video 7, we will see the use of ng model directive on input tag. This was the last example what we have seen in video 7 where we have seen the use of ng-bind directive. For this example, let me remove all what I have in my body tag, and let me have input tag type equals to text, close. I have h4 tag, you have type, close h4 tag. Simple HTML tags, nothing new. Save it, go to run, launch in Firefox, and you have the text input and you have h4. If I type something here, how are you, it's getting type. It's a default functionality what input tag provides. Now my requirement is whenever I type something in the text input, fine, it should get replicated here. You have type, and whatever I am typing, it should get displayed after this. Now to achieve this, I will use a directive known as ng model. So I'll say ng-model, and I will give it some name. I'll say value typed, right? Any name what you can see, and here I will say double curly braces, I will say value typed, right? Both names are same. Save it, go to again run, launch in Firefox, same display. Now this is the magic of ng model, right? So whatever we are typing inside text input, right, inside this, it's getting stored in a variable known as value typed with the help of ng model. And once the value is stored inside a variable, in this case we have value type, now that variable can be used anywhere in your application, either by ng-bind or you can use a double curly braces, right? So this was the one way that the value from input tag, it's getting stored in a value type, and that value you are using at some other place, right? Now let's modify this example where I will say ng init equals to value type equals to enter your name, right? I have given a default value to the variable value typed, that is enter your name. Now save it, go to your browser and say, see, it's showing enter your name, it's getting displayed in the text input, and it's even getting displayed at the h1 tag with the help of double curly braces. Why? Because ng model, it's have a double binding, alright? Double binding means whatever value is stored here, it will get assigned to the text input, and with whatever value text input you put in the text input, that will get stored in the typed value, and that value will be used elsewhere. So if you go in the example and you say my name is Angular, right? So it's copying the data from text input to your variable and it's copying a data from variable to the text input. So this is the role of ng model, what can be used for. So as we have seen, the ng model directive binds the value of input tag to the application data or variable, and it can be vice versa. Thanks for watching. Do share and subscribe to our channel Learning Through Examples. Like our page on Facebook. Thanks.